Hi everybody, welcome to Jody's Art Room. I am so excited today. I'll tell you why. A couple of weeks ago, a while back actually, I had entered a drawing for a giveaway on Online Painting School's YouTube channel. And I won. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. And this is what I won. I won 32 pouring acrylic colors from Arteza. I am so excited. I can't tell you. There's like the colors in here. I mean, they're just amazing. And you get 32 bottles, 32 2-ounce bottles. Oop, they kind of fell over. And so you actually get 28 colors because they give you 4 white and 2 black, you know, to use as your base or whatever. But oh, the colors are they're just gorgeous. Phthalo green is just beautiful. Forest green. Oh my gosh, coral. Look at this beautiful rose pink. This is so cool, right? Ultramarine blue, red, like 4 different kinds of yellow. And plus you get some metallics too. I got gold, bronze, silver gray, silver, and this one is so cool. It's called Wine Red. It's a wine red metallic. This is so beautiful. I can't wait to use that. So I want this to be a short video, so I'm going to get right to it. And of course I have 6 neon colors, and I have some other ones out there that I'm going to try tomorrow. I'm so excited. Let's get to it, okay? I'm going to zoom you a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully not too far, but you are a little far away. Whoa, sorry. That should do. Okay, so one of the reasons I was so excited to get these paints is because a while back I saw the beautiful and talented Saskia Smit in the Netherlands. I saw her use these paints one day, and she claimed that they work without anything, without mixing them with anything, for blooms, okay? So, yeah. Ooh, I don't want to get too many bubbles in there. I better stop. And, you know, instead of using your untinted house paint and polyacrylic, you just use this. And I saw her do 4 of them, and they were absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I was impressed. So I'm like, oh, I want to do that so bad. So now I have the paints to try it, and I hope it works. Here we go. So here's my pillow paint. And guys, I gotta be careful here because that's all I have left. And Walmart in my areas, I guess it's only in my areas, I don't know, they're sold out online of the Color Place house paint, which is what I want to get next. So that's all I have left. So, whew, I pray this turns out good. So let's just do this. Let's see what happens. So we are going to start with neon blue. And then we're going to do neon green. These seem really thin. Really thin. Then we're going to do lemon yellow. Oops, come on, lid, get on there. Neon pink, and I'm using exactly the same colors that Saskia used on her last one she did out of the 4, because it just blew me away. It was so beautiful. Neon pink. Neon purple. And at the very last minute, she decided to put some neon orange on there. So I'm going to do that too. And I'm running forward. Why am I running forward? Come back here. Neon orange. I don't know how these could work. They're so thin. But we'll see, won't we? Whoa. Have a lot of paint on here, I think. And then I'm going to use a black cell activator. Oh man, should I pop up bubbles there? Whew. Look at the bubbles. Shouldn't have stirred that paint. Let me just pop a couple here. Otherwise I'm going to have all those little white dots in this. I mean, this is really just a test to see if it's going to work. If it is, hopefully I have enough paint to do a few more. So here's my black cell activator, and this is actually Arteza Mars Black with American Floetrol, a few drops of Minwax pre-wood stain conditioner, and a few drops of water. And let's see what happens. I'm excited. Please work. If it doesn't work, I'm going to cry. You'll have to watch me cry. Here we go. Well, wow, that really went out there, didn't it? And I have cells in the middle, but boy, not like I wanted. I guess I shouldn't have blown on that so hard because it's so thin. I'm not sure what the reasoning is on that. Pop, pop. Oh, you guys, this is so beautiful in here, but I want more cells. I want more stuff in the middle. So I am actually going to try a little bit more, and I'm not going to blow quite so hard. Because, wow, that really spread out, didn't it? Okay, here we go. There we go. Whoa, now I'm getting kind of what I came after. Ooh, look at that. That is pretty. Guess I could turn a light on, huh? I don't have any more bubbles. Oh, I wish I could get it up there so you could see it really close. I know it's going to drip off of here, but maybe you can see it from there, huh? Oh, darn. This is amazing looking. All right, let's see what we can do with this, huh? Boy, those paints are thin. stretch that out a long ways, but better watch out what I'm doing here before I lose all my paint. Wow, this is just pouring off of here. This is crazy. Probably shouldn't need that much paint on there, huh? Oh, you guys, this is really pretty. I lost a lot of paint off of here, though. And so much of it, I think, was just Arteza, because they're so thin. They poured off, so much of it poured off, but I'm telling you, everything stayed together so well. I am so impressed. Look at that. Wow. Now I'm just kind of checking for composition here. How I want this to look, actually. I think I want to go off that corner just a little bit. I don't like that corner. Come on, baby. Shoot off there. Oh, please don't let me lose everything when I come back. Stretch out there and be beautiful for me. Oh, these colors are gorgeous. Oh, I hope you can see that. Sorry. I am impressed. I am so impressed. Oh my gosh. Where do you see these colors up close? You are not going to believe how beautiful. I'm serious. This is amazing. And how's that for a quick pour? You'd be like, we're not on Jody's channel. Jody has 30-minute videos every time. Right? Not today. And with great results besides. Oh, I'm tickled. This is really pretty. Okay, I'm going to move it over here, out of my puddles. I am going to take my gloves off, bring you down for a close-up, and we're done. Oh, get off my sleeve there. I cannot wait to try another one. And not just a Dutch pour, but other things too, you know. I want to definitely do a flip cup with this, with these, and a few things. Hang on, we're going down there. And we're back. You guys, look at that. That's really pretty. The colors are so vibrant. And I wish I had I could put my flash on. I can't put it on while I'm already recording. I don't think. I don't know how to do that. Oh, darn. Shoot. Nope, I can't. Sorry. Hope it's light enough here for you. But anyway, look at these colors. I mean, they are vivid. They're so bright and beautiful. I love you, Arteza. Oh, they're nice. Really nice. Now I know a little bit more what to do next time. Not quite so much paint when I'm doing this. It's just beautiful. Look at the great lacing and stuff that I got. Oh, I could have stretched that out a little bit different, huh? It's still pretty. It's still very pretty. Very, very pretty, you guys. I like that part right there. Focus. There you go. Oh, nice. Okay, so there is a quick pour from me. You will get one of these every once in a while. I need to take a nice bright picture of this and go post it on Nilda's Facebook page. Happy customer. happy subscriber, happy Arteza user. This is so fun. Cool. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.